Look, listen, and repeat.
Listen, Hanny. Touch your nose. This is my nose. Well done, Hanny.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to identify parts of the body. I am Miss Summer. Let's start.
Look, listen, and say.
Eye, nose, mouth, ear, hand,
Sing.
Stand up, sit down, turn around, clap your hands and sing. Touch your nose, touch your ears. We are happy. Stand up, sit down, turn around, clap your hands and sing. Touch your eyes, touch your mouth. We are happy.
Listen and point, then say.
I comb my hair. I wash my hands. I wash the salad. I brush my teeth. I wash my face.